Why you laughing so much? You like me too much? What you like about me too much? You like my dressing and my face is beautiful? Tell everybody how much you love me. Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you. You know, they have a rumor saying that I'm very ugly. So I'm glad my ugliness never scared you today. Oh, so beautiful. God love us all. We all got children. Wow. God bless you, my love. Okay. So right now, I'm going to go over there, walk up there to get something. All right, baby. And then after that, I'm going to head home. I know I'm supposed to be working today, but to all the days going right now, it doesn't look promising. It doesn't look promising because I'm getting all this thing from the market that I need, like the bleaching cream that I sold out and bleaching cream, soaps and gold-filled jewelry and all of that. And I'm picking them up. But by the time I get done, I feel that by the time I get home, I'm going to be late to get my tables, to get everything to come back on the street. You know, maybe tomorrow morning early. Today not looking so promising at all. And I know I'm supposed to be back because I left the house at 12 o'clock. So that's the reason why. So right now I'm just walking on the avenue for the last check. So the last things I need before I go. Hi, you sexy thing. Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you staring at me like that, you guys? Huh? Who want to put it on me? Who want to put it on me? You want to put it on me? But you want to talk because someone want to put... Why you got to put on me, boy? Look at that ass I put in this cocking up from the back. You can't manage this shit. You're going to need at least... You're going to need at least 2 Viagra to get up in this motherfucker. You're going to need some Viagra before you start talking about getting up in anything.
Yo, my dick is hard right now. Stop playing.
Your dick is hard right now? Stop playing? How hard that shit is? Can I get a back? I want to see it.
I'm asking you, do you?
Well, I never want to take a look at such thing. Because to know that you can just get hard just like that, then you may be a threat to society or a threat to my pussy. You got up?
I gotta go, bro.
Yes, gotta go, baby. Jesus Christ, these people is crazy, motherfucker. Baby, I'm telling you. But why you hugging on me now? Why you rubbing my back? You feel sorry for me or you just love me too? What the fuck? You love me too? I love you too. God damn it. Huh? Finish and I go in one Brooklyn. You look handsome and ever, looking good. God bless you, babe. What bite you on your hand like that?
Fucking mosquito.
No, man, open up your hand, let me see your hand, man. Fuck is this? A mosquito, do you like this shit?
Hell yeah, not be fucking scratchy.
No, turn around the next one too.
See?
What the hell is this? But, no, man, but if mosquito doing you like this, you can get the Zika virus, man. You know they got a thing going around they call it Zika virus,
Yeah,
and you can
I
get it from the
already checked
mosquito
it
bite.
out.
You check it out?
Yeah.
So what they give you for the mosquito bite? Because you're allergic to the mosquito bite.
Cream that they give you.
The cream they give you, they don't give you a shot? So how can they not give you a shot to keep it from not getting infected? Because if the mosquito bite you, you should have got a shot. If this is on your skin like that, it's not good for your skin at all.
What else?
They're supposed to give you a shot. I love you, babe.
I love you more.
God bless you, babe. He said mosquito bite him up like that. That's crazy. And he could get Zika virus from that shit. You see that shit on his hands?
Yeah, I see it.
That shit is crazy right there.
Oh, I saw it on.
Yeah,
How you
it's
doing?
crazy. I love you.
All right.
Bless yourself.
All right.
Yeah, so that thing is very, very dangerous. Actually, I'm scared of Zika virus.